If I have to invest in real estate for the very first time, look at the step-by-step process on how you can do that today. This video is going to bring clarity your way, especially if you're someone who constantly watches real estate opportunity videos. You move from one channel to another. You want to understand how Abuja real estate market works. You want to invest, but you are careful. You are carefully looking at every video, analyzing them, making informed decisions. Look at how you can start today, because I don't want a situation where you constantly analyze your way out of opportunities that constantly stare you in the face. The first thing you have to do is, now you've watched a lot of video and you're always watching, what are you looking to invest in? What property? I mean, are you looking to buy then eventually you sell out? Or are you looking to buy so that you can build your future house or dream house? Or are you looking to buy so that you can build a rental property? I had a story of one of my bigger cousins who wanted to invest in Enugu, specifically to build for rental option. He looked for a location where a lot of people already situated, bought an individual land there and set up 6-unit, 3-bedroom block of flats. So these are the goals that people always have at their heart to help them make a better and informed decision. So someone like you, what is your goal today? We would like to know first. And that's the first step on how you can make a better decision today. And after that, what is the next thing? What is your budget? A lot of times I've seen people constantly have limited budget, but they are looking for expensive property. Videos like this helps you stay aware. How? Because you know that properties like this, located in this location, they are affordable, but not everybody sees it like that. They see bush, they see far from town. But smart people or smart individuals see opportunity. They see opportunities to key in to locations like this because it's affordable. And again, you have flexible payment plan. So what is your budget today? If you have a budget that can invest in this location, please do well to do that. Okay. Especially knowing that your budget is not matching to what you are seeking for. When you've done 1, 2, 3 investments, you have the opportunity and the heart, the skill power, because you've learned a lot to now get what you are looking for. Then after that, what you are going to do is please kindly check the titles of the properties you are buying. This is something we constantly talk about every other day. Some people buy properties thinking it is what they actually bought, but at the end of the day, the FCDA comes to the location and before you know it, the property is taken off them and they lose the property. So please ask the right questions to understand the properties you are buying. So titles matter. And the next thing you have to do is think beyond today. Sometimes people are looking at now, for example, this property is located in Sheretti Kabusa. A lot of times people see the opportunity here, but some people see bushes. Some people see it's far from town. But people who have invested in real estate over a period of time understand that this is gold. If you check my back, you see that a lot of signage are here, and which means that a lot of people, developers that come, and people are setting up their properties and securing it. So use this opportunity to think 3 years, 2 years from now, how this location will be. Meanwhile, you knew about the location, but you did not invest in it. And the last point, which I'm going to use to explain this property where we are today, which is called Highland City, located in Sheretti Kabusa. This is an FCDA RFO property. And also we have 150 square meters, 250 square meters, 350 square meters, 500 square meters and 750 square meters, starting with the 150, which is the list of the square meters you can get with 7.3 million naira. And all the prices I'll be leaving in the description. This is the cheapest property you can find in Abuja today. What you need to do to secure this property, knowing that you are doing this for the first time and you want to get it right, you can get any of the square meters. If you're seeking a 3-bedroom terrace duplex, if you are seeking a semi-detached, a fully detached, or you are looking to build an apartment block of flats, which 750 square meters is the one that is suitable for you, call us today. Let's help you secure this. You don't have to wait for a place to be fully developed for you to invest in it. The longer you wait, the places appreciate, and the places appreciate, it is out of your reach. If you can do this test from start to finish, you can be rest assured you'll make a best decision for yourself. We're waiting for your call to help.